FMFAM, what's going on, baby? It's your boy. We back here with this from last night. Y'all remember valve covers, idler pulley, tensioner. Although we still waiting on some parts. I'm gonna slap on the valve covers, slap on the tensioner, and we gonna get straight to the point. Oh no, I put the wrong one. Damn, that's for passenger side. That's driver side. I'm trying to do passenger side first. Yes, let me get it. Oh yeah. So I always silicone the corners so the gasket don't slip off. Boom, boom. Ah. Extra security.
Acetylene torch and shit, and well, fuck me. What the hell? Well, fuck me. What the hell?
Y'all heard that back there? Y'all heard that back there?
Oh shit!
Goop the corners.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything.
Hey guys, remember this connector is broken. So since I'm already in here, oh my god, I'm just gonna place the connector.
Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be.
Now that we're done here, I can move over to that side and do that side. Already got the valve cover set up right here. Switch y'all. And bada boom, bada bing, we about to put this in my cylinder. Guys, there have been few times, or a handful of times actually, where I have forgot to silicone those corners. That made for a bad freaking day.
Average show. Yeah. Underground streets. we stay strapped on every side of town. Sip big mowers, we blaze up. 92 to 2010 plus. I never will, I never gave a fuck. I let another hater hang from my nuts. I'm a lone star, underground star. Jamming screws, I'm sipping.
These bolts are not playing nice. Man, it feels like they're wanna strip. Just gotta know. Gotta know.
The top off, and she cocked the lock, ready to pop off. Stay fly as fuck, ready for takeoff. Touchdown, the city's ready for football. Hold up. Listen, I'ma slow it down for you. Hey, in my hood, the young blaze of foes, inspired by LA and Houston. SA's a hustler's home, where it ain't shit to do unless your money is long. That's probably why these out-of-staters tell me that they miss home. Don't get it wrong, it's always shit to be done. What if all these out-of-towners thinking we ain't got guns? Hey, I try to tell them when you're up in the slums, listen.
And it just had to be the back one too. Dang. Could it be one of the front ones? It's like it's stripped all the way at the bottom. How? You know what? And this side was leaking the worst. I'm wondering if... I'm wondering if this has been stripped out and they just... Wow. Somebody's already been in here. I really wonder. Cause it's like I'm tapping all the way through. And I thought all I needed was the beginning because it would catch and stop right away. I don't know.
So we ride slow and bang screw.
There it is. I finally bottomed out onto the cover. That was horrible.
Snapbacks and tattoos, so we ride slow and bang screw. Snapbacks and tattoos.
Alright guys, it's lunchtime. I'm gonna go eat. Well, that is super crazy. So after I got it tapped in, I went through and tightened down, made a second pass because, you know, as the valve cover is getting tighten, the bolts come loose. Y'all know what I mean. You know, that's why you make passes all the way around and torque sequences. But anyways, for some reason the camera cut off as I was tightening a corner bolt. Then I made my second pass around to make sure all the bolts were tight, but it didn't catch that. So with that being said, I'm gonna go eat. We're gonna come back, we're gonna throw the plenum on and throw this tensioner on. And yeah, I don't know what happened with that bolt. Don't know why it stripped. I couldn't catch. You see, I would catch like 2 threads and it stopped. So I was like, maybe I'm hitting a rough spot. So I just put a little bit with the ratchet. Nope. And that's why I use the ratchet, because the ratchet's not strong. So it, like, as soon as it'll catch, it'll stop and it'll just try to hammer. So I was like, you know what? Let me tap it out. So I tapped it halfway. And then I ran the bolt in halfway. And I'm like, and then it stopped. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Pull it out, tapped it all the way in, pulled it out. Y'all saw it was full of flakes. Put the bolt in, and it threaded all the way in. I was able to crank it down. It was leaking in the back, so I don't know. Maybe that's why. Maybe whoever did these valve covers last, I don't know. The truck has never been here. So, yeah. But that's why we're here, to fix vehicles, right? And that's why tap and die sets are essential. You never know what you're going to run into. And obviously, I'm fixing somebody else's stuff. So, we'll go eat, and then we'll come back and finish up this truck. Well, for what we can do. Because everything else is flushes. I'm waiting on an idler pulley. Yeah. We'll get back to y'all in a minute. Alrighty, fellas. We're back from lunch. It's been like a whole 3 hours later. Anyways, we're going to set y'all up and get back to that right there. Alright, so little hosey hose called a crossover hose. Every time you do valve covers, replace it.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.
Now, if y'all have not noticed already, I need to repin this connector. They're missing this. We pulled it off yesterday. Well, we didn't pull it off. It was just missing. Since I'm here, oh, and this pin's already come out. Dang. Yep. Yeah. So we're just gonna repin it. Let's do it.
Gotta give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
There it is. Repaired. Now, one of the terminals was actually melted on the connector. But that was for free, that was no charge. Just because I don't want it to come back on me. And it literally took a couple minutes to do, so I'm not too worried about it. This comeback sucked. Even if it ain't your fault. But in the eyes of the company, you were the last one to touch it. In the eyes of the customer, you were the last one to touch it. And in the eyes of the law, you was the last one to touch it.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket.
I felt it, yep. Yep, once that gets a certain stiffness, that's how you know. Alrighty guys, I gotta wait on the rest of the parts, so hopefully by tomorrow they will come in. Which I'm just waiting on that idler pulley. We took the tensioner off and found the idler pulley was rough too. Told the guy, I have another pulley that's bad. This one was just, show y'all a clip. Look at that dry belt tensioner, it is wobbling. Also the belt is riding on the edge up. But don't forget, the tip jar is open. If y'all would like to donate to the channel, again, Got some videos right here. Subscribe. Deuce.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh.